This is the Module 12 overview video. This is going to be a short and sweet one. In the module introduction, it points out that this module is about how media has changed over time. And so you're going to be reading about changes in media over the last century. That text is located here in the reading section. And what you want to keep track of are three things. Being able to describe the types of new media, identify how the internet has affected the media delivery, and explain why new media is more successful, oftentimes, than traditional forms. So you want to start off, figure out what some of those traditional forms are and compare them to new forms of media, and be able to articulate how media has changed. When you actually do the assignment, Journal 12-1, you're writing a journal entry that addresses 3 questions. So I recommend that this be a 3-paragraph entry. You've got your first question here about what types of information or media are we referring to when we use the term traditional media. What about new media? You should go straight back to the definitions of the text and cite them. You can add to that, of course, based on your understanding from the ideas of the text. Number 2, discuss how new media has changed the way that information is distributed. So you need to be reading and thinking about how information is distributed or sent out in different ways now compared to how it was done in the past. And number 3, discuss how traditional media has attempted to evolve in order to keep up with new media. Do you believe it has been successful? Some people struggle with this question a bit, but if you look at this box, it'll give you a good example that you can work with. Okay? So I recommend that you make sure that you read that in detail. Your journal is going to be 300 words long at minimum, and it must refer to this text. Make sure that you are introducing the title of the text, the people who wrote it, or the organization that wrote it, and provide evidence, quoted or paraphrased from the article with in-text citations in MLA style. We've been working on this for some time. And make sure you create a separate works cited page in MLA style as well for the article. Use the formula that we've been covering. And if you have issues with formatting your document, go back to Module 2 and review those readings and those videos for help with formatting your document. Okay, email me if you have any questions.